510, 510 and more 510. Nowadays, many makers are rushing in to do more and more Datsun 510 Bluebird, and today I'm going to do a comparison review between the Hot Wheels car culture versus the Greenlight BRE Datsun 510. This RLC car culture is the casting that got on many collectors' nerve. Couple of the collectors who order the RLC set has the missing Datsun Bluebird in them, or they either came with crack blister. For me, it's totally no issue because I need a loose as well as a carded for my own collection. And for the Tokyo Talk series, it's the same, one to open and one to collect. In which this case is the green machine chase. As usual, green machine chase are 5% of the total assortment. However, this will come in higher numbers as Greenlight try to do more and more 510 to flood the JDM market. Let's now free up the regular version. Alright, the Greenlight 510 is now out from the package. You can see the distinctive difference between the scale of this 1/6/4 casting, but the Hot Wheels is much bigger than the Greenlight. I believe every makers have their own definition when it comes to 1/6/4. The Hot Wheels version came with a wider width as well. I believe it's due to the orange track standard. And when it comes to scale, the Greenlight is closer to the rest of the maker. When it comes to construct, the Hot Wheels is more interesting because they use the grille and the headlight areas to interlock the base with the main body. And for the future 510 release, it will not come with the interlocking method, but just one whole casting on the body to save cost. And for Greenlight, the front is quite detailed as well. You have the printed headlights as well as colored grille and the chrome bumper attached to the die-cast body. In terms of overall body color finishing, I love the car culture 510 much better than the Greenlight because I can see the pearlized sort of the effect of the colors, whereas the Greenlight, no doubt, is much more closer to the actual car. And in my perspective, the color is more flat and more down. The plus point is it came with an opening hood, and for the Hot Wheels version, it can't open, which is such a shame because the previous RLC or membership car has hood that can open. The engine compartment beneath the hood is very detailed. This is a joy to many customizers. For the rear, the Hot Wheels version is just painted, whereas for Greenlight is made of clear plastic, and also the rear bumper that came with chrome finish as well, and that's a big plus for Greenlight. Both bases are in metal finish, which is good. And you can see from here there's more details from Greenlight, including the tempo print on the windscreen. The wheel set for the Greenlight is trying to go as close as the real thing, and it can roll quite well. And for Hot Wheels, needless to say, they are engineered to roll fast and go fast. That sums up my review for the BRE Datsun 510 for both makers. Thanks everyone, bye!